In order to scan QR code with any Android device, first of all, let's launch a camera application. It's right here now. Alright, so on the most Android device, this is the easiest way to scan your QR codes. Now let's check if the QR code scanning is enabled. So on Samsung devices, find at the top left corner, find this gear icon, open it up, and here make sure that your scan QR codes option is on. On Google Pixel or other devices, you have to open up the camera, tap the small arrow to reveal the menu, and then the gear icon to access the settings. There you have to find Google Lens suggestions and make sure that scan QR code is enabled. Alright, after that, let's go back to our photo mode and let's grab our phone and scan this QR code. So as you see, it's already detected. Let's press show options. So here we can either copy the link or open it up in browser. So if we're gonna open it up in browser, our Wikipedia is going to be opened up, and basically that's it. You can use your QR codes to quickly add contacts by scanning QR codes on business card, to join networks effortlessly using QR codes that store Wi-Fi credentials. You can add up some calendar events, so scan event-specific QR code to set them directly into your calendar, or to follow some social media accounts. What should you do if your device doesn't support any QR codes? You have to download the Google Lens from the Play Store. So simply open it up, point at the QR code, and it will recognize and process the code for you. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.